Now I will be talking about the prices and weight under data configuration.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
First, you need to go under Mode, 5, press OK, password for this machine, and then you need to go under Configuration, Data Configuration, and then first one is Prices. And under Prices you have Unit Price. That is where you can change the price on your label to go whatever you want. So you can move it up or down just by hitting these little arrows. And then you can also change your special unit price down here. Then you can press OK and we'll save it. Under special price versions, you want it to be under with special price. Go under print price and go under unit price, and this needs to be a print unit price. If you don't want it to print unit price, then you click do not print unit price or calculate unit price, but this one needs to be put as print unit price. Next, we'll go under country. You want to make sure this is under USA. Otherwise, it will put your prices in euros or whatever you want to set it as. And if you have a second country that you need to put in, this is where you put it at. You go back one more time. Now we'll talk about weight. And under here, this is where you can change your fixed weight. On this one, I have it set up as 0 pounds. Use the arrows again, go up or down. And if you want to save in the database, you click this button and then it will save it. Okay, next one is print weight. And you want to make sure the tear printing is on width. So then it prints the tear weight on the package. And then now we'll go under weight 2, and this is where if you have, if you want pounds on there, and then you also want kilograms or a different weight measurement, you can set it up here under weight type 2.